Ciao and welcome to Let's Cook Italiano. Today we're making clam spaghetti. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. My name is Martina and it's been 3 or 4 months since my last video, so it's been quite a while. As I mentioned in one of my YouTube posts back in January, I got a job as a lecturer in translation, and that didn't leave me much time to dedicate to YouTube. Now my contract is ended and I'm finally able to get back to cooking and filming and editing, so here we are. Back in December last year, I made a little Christmas Eve feast as it's tradition in the south of Italy. It was all seafood based, and one of the main dishes of that dinner was clam spaghetti, or spaghetti alle vongole in Italian. The dish has been a staple in my family for as long as I can remember, and my dad is the absolute master of clam spaghetti in the family. One of the best memories I have linked to this dish is going shopping for Christmas Eve dinner the night before Christmas Eve. So on the 23rd of December every year, my grandma, my parents and I usually go down to the market around 11 p.m. to get the freshest clams that you can find. Christmas Eve dinner is really the moment where the family comes together, so it's really important that the food is spot on. So when you go to the market late in the evening, the day before Christmas Eve, you get the freshest seafood, and it's beautiful because everyone is out and it's like a huge town celebration. The key ingredient of the dish, as you might have guessed, is clams, and I always use fresh clams. Never use those jarred, brined clams because the taste is definitely not the same, the consistency is not the same, and they don't taste that good. If you can't get a hold of fresh clams where you live, you can swap for fresh mussels or fresh shrimp or even some fresh squid. The key is that the seafood needs to be fresh. The other ingredients are really simple to find. You literally just need a clove of garlic, some fresh parsley, some fresh cherry tomatoes, and that's it. The clam sauce cooks at the same time as the spaghetti. So if you have an electric kettle that boils the water for you, all it takes is 5 minutes. This dish is guaranteed to make you feel like you're on the seaside because the smell of it, it's so inebriatingly good, and it smells of the sea. Of course, the fresher the seafood, the better it will smell and taste. So let me show you how it's done. First thing you want to do is to salt and clean your clams. I would recommend watching the video above to learn how to do that. Once your clams have been purged, start by boiling some water for your spaghetti, and don't forget to salt it. It should taste as salty as seawater. In the meantime, add some olive oil to a pan and a peeled clove of garlic, as well as the capers. At this point, if you want, you can add some chili flakes. Cook on medium heat until the water for the pasta has reached a rolling boil and you can drop the spaghetti in. Make sure to twist them so that they're fully submerged, and move them around every minute or so to make sure that they don't stick together. Meanwhile, add the tomatoes to the pan and swirl them around. Then drop the clams in and cover with a lid. Now all you have to do is wait 4 to 5 minutes for the spaghetti to cook and for the clams to open. There's no need to add salt to the clams as they're naturally salty. Once the spaghetti are cooked, drain them and add them to the pan. Then mix well so that they absorb all the juices from the clams. Finally, add some chopped fresh parsley, mix and serve. I almost forgot. Remove the garlic clove before you serve and eliminate any clams that haven't opened, as they might spoil your dish. And here's how I make clam spaghetti. One thing that I didn't have in my fridge that day was a fresh lemon. So if you want to increase the scent of the dish and make it even fresher, you can grate a little bit of lemon zest on your spaghetti and oh my god, the result will be absolutely amazing. I didn't really film a taste test because clam spaghetti has to be eaten straight out of the pan, and to be honest, I didn't have the time to set up my camera and my lights and stuff like that. I'd rather just enjoy the dish. So I'll leave you to try it and taste it for yourselves. And if you do try it, take a picture and share it on Instagram and tag me in it so that I can see the results. I love to see you guys recreating my dishes, so keep them coming. Now before I say goodbye, I want to let you in on a little secret. I have been working on creating a website for Let's Cook Italiano where you will find all the recipes written down so that it's easier for you to follow the video and also have a written version of the recipe. So as soon as the website is live, you'll be the first ones to know. I've also been working on a Patreon page because let's face it, filming the videos, editing them and putting them together is very time consuming and of course takes time away from work. So your support would be really amazing in helping me keeping this channel going in the future. So I'll pop a link down below as soon as the page is ready. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family, and I will see you in the next video. Ciao!